Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to delete multiple emails in Gmail, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete multiple emails in Gmail, first open up your Gmail app on your phone. And after opening your Gmail app, guys, you'll be on this interface where this is the primary inbox section of the Gmail. Now, in order to delete multiple emails, you'll be required to tap and hold on one of the emails which you want to delete first. And when the tick mark at the left side or the picture side of that email appears, you will be able to select more which you want to delete. For example, if you want to choose and delete multiple emails, so tap on the picture of the sender and then the mails will be selected like this. And if you tap on the select all button at the top left corner of the screen, only 50 mails will be selected for deletion, but if you scroll down then 50 of these mails you'll be able to select 100 of them, you can see. So it will depend upon hundreds or 15s of 50. So let's go and select 150. And with that being done, guys, after selecting, tap on the dumpster or the delete icon at the top right corner, or the where I'm tapping over here, you can see, tap on that dumpster icon and your emails will be deleted on Gmail like this. Or you can just select whichever you want to delete and delete it again by tapping on the dumpster icon after making the necessary selection of the email which you want to delete. And with that being done, guys, your multiple emails in Gmail will be deleted. And guys, this is how to delete multiple emails in Gmail. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.